Hi everybody, Miss Bueller here. Today I'm going to show you how I created this mandala design from using repeated symmetry and recreating the same shapes around in a circular form. So there's a lot of forms of mandalas that you could think about using different kinds of shapes, like geometric shapes, the shapes with names, and maybe more organic shapes, shapes that are made up, shapes that don't really have a name. So today, I'm going to show you how you can create your own mandala using pencil, black crayon, and a little bit of muscle. So, to get started, you're going to need a square piece of paper, and you're going to want to fold it twice, diagonally. Or some people it's easier to fold it the book fold first. So you might want to fold it in half this way. And you're going to fold it again. Open it up. Fold it in half again. And you're going to see sort of like a plus sign. And then you're going to fold it diagonally one way and the other way. So make sure it looks like an X or a multiplication sign going through a plus sign. Now to get started, you're going to want to come up with 5 geometric or 5 organic shapes. So I'm just going to start drawing some geometric and organic shapes in one of these triangle sections. So this is a triangle. I can pick any triangle I want, but I want to start drawing some organic shapes, some geometric shapes, maybe this circle. You can use tracers if you want. Maybe another organic shape. Maybe a geometric shape. I'm going to put a half circle here and another geometric shape, a triangle that'll become maybe an organic shape. And I actually want to just connect this so that all my shapes are connected and it's really filling the space. Now I'm going to take a black crayon. These are really strong black crayons, but any black crayon will do. Even any dark color crayon will do. So I outline all my shape lines with black crayon. And you can see how I kept it simple. If I had a really, really small shape and a really intricate design like something like this, and I tried to outline that with crayon, I would just wind up with like big blobs of black, and it's not going to transfer well. So I'll show you that. So to get it to transfer or move, you fold your paper in half. You take this rubbing tool, the blue, or the pink one, they're the same, or anything that's hard, even like a pair of scissors will work. Just take the hard part and really press firmly to get that black crayon to move over to the other side. Once you can see your design, and if you can't, try again, you can trace it with the black crayon. So now I've got my design starting to move around. Now, to make things a little easier, I can retrace the side I started with. I can actually take crayon back on top. That way when I transfer it, the whole square now can get transferred. So now I'm going to fold it in half this way, and I'm going to rub that in both sections onto the other side. And you just keep repeating this all the way around until every triangle has a reflected image. So now you can see this design is starting to show up. So trace that all the way around. Once you have this one traced, now you can press firmly to get your design onto the other side. And I think I'm missing a line here. This and this one. Okay. So now I'm going to fold this way. Got my circle there. And I can rub my design across the other half. Now, if you discover that the crayon really isn't rubbing enough, you have to open it back up and add more crayon. That way you have plenty to press over. And notice how I was just kind of rubbing too rough. It can get wrinkled, so please try to keep your hand nice and firm and rub really carefully. And push your finger right here to really keep your strength in the right spot. Stand up too, because you'll get a good motion. So now you can see my design starting to show up there. I have a couple more spots I should rub a little bit better. open it, and trace. And you'll start to see your design going all the way around. It's a little hard to see some of the designs, so just try your best to find them. And once you have everything outlined in black, you're ready for color. So you can see my design really starting to take form. Thanks a lot for listening. Bye.